Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're gonna make some awesome coasters today. I have these Craft Shop Metals aluminum coasters, and a lot of times people get confused. They think this is a mold or something, but there's no way for resin to come out when it has a lip like that. It's not a mold. It's like painting on a canvas. You don't take the paint back off the canvas. It's just a surface. But these are specifically made for artists, and they don't warp. They can't be damaged. They're just beautiful. And this is the rose gold color. They have it in regular gold, in silver, in black. So I'm using Stone Coat Countertops epoxy, and I'm going to use some of these awesome, I think this is copper flakes, and I got this in a pack of 3 from Amazon. It came with copper, gold, and silver. So link for all of this will be in my description. And then I'm using a couple Arteza mica powders. I've got Bubblegum Glow, which is like a white iridescent pink, and then Chocolate Brown. Now, I don't normally use browns, so this is going to be interesting. And these flakes I've just mixed with clear resin, and that's going to be most of what I'm putting in here. I might even add a little bit more clear resin. I just ran out of space in the cups. And I think I have a little too much flakes in here. Let's see. And I'm going to be putting a fairly thin layer of resin in here because I'm going to want to put another second layer over to make sure everything's all nice and flat. So, no specific order these need to go in. I think a couple of these over here. I'm just going to add a little to the side. Okay. And I'm going to use the stick and just kind of move it around. And then I want to make sure this is as flat as possible. I don't want anything sticking out the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, put that clear layer of resin over. After this layer is dry, just give me a super smooth surface. Okay, let's go in with that iridescent. And this one has that pearl white look, but then in the different lights, it has the pink. It's beautiful. I'm not trying to make these coasters all identical or anything, if you couldn't tell. So they'll all be just a little bit different. And definitely check out Craft Shop Metals, guys. They are amazing. They have these coasters, they have clocks, they have just regular panels for artwork. I've done so many projects with these and they always come out just stunning. Okay, just using up the rest of this iridescent. And one of the reasons why I decided to go with those copper flakes is because, if you can't tell, but I'll do a close-up in a bit, you can see through to that rose gold underneath them, because it's not a solid color, of course. All right, now let's get in here with the chocolate. I don't normally do browns, but I was just inspired to add this color in here, and this is just going to be like an accent color, so I'm only going to use a little bit of it. The cool thing about these as well is that you can hit it with a torch. You can also just use a heat gun. They're metal, so you're really not going to be damaging them. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit more with the brown. And then that's about it. We're going to call it a day. Although this one might need just a smidge more resin, so. All right, beautiful. I'm gonna hit it with a torch. Okay, and then I will let these dry. I'll put the clear coat on there, and then I will come back and show you the final product, because all this resin's gonna move around and do some fun things. So we'll be back when these are all done. All right, so we're back with these. I put that second coat of resin on them. They're not fully cured with that second coat yet, but as you can see, they look beautiful, nice and flat, glass-like, so you can still see the rose gold metal through those flakes, and that brown nicely spread out. These actually are so much more pretty than they look in this video. So just super gorgeous. I am so happy with these coasters. I love everything about them. So check down in the description for all of the materials, and I will see you all next time.